Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Erlangga, class 12 TKJ. Here I will explain the tutorial on installing via mobile phone.
First, open the Play Store menu on your cell phone. Second, look for the application you want. Third, click install on the Play Store.
Teams collaborate. Whether you're connecting multiple conference rooms or adding remote attendees, meeting face-to-face
If it's been waiting for it to finish.
With the highest video and audio quality, joining a conference remotely is as natural as being there. Feature-rich and yet easy to use, the Zoom mobile and desktop apps bring the whole experience together with built-in group chat. Transform your video
Fourth, if it's already downloaded, please open the application.
So, this is the tutorial that I made. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.